Hi, I'm Rob with Precision Zone, and I'm going to be going over a quick static check on this Magnetek Impulse Series 4 drive. Now, the first thing that we do before we get started is check the DC bus and make sure it's not holding any charge. And you want to do this after the drive has been sitting for some time. So we'll put our meter to the DC check function, and we'll check between the positive and negative side of the DC bus. And we're showing about 0.4 volts, and I wouldn't proceed any farther if we were getting anything more than 1 volt. I would just wait some more time. So the next thing that we're going to do is check the inputs at RS and T. We're going to move our meter to the diode function, and then we're going to place our positive lead on the digital multimeter to the negative side of the DC bus, and we'll check between R, S, and T. And we should be getting anything between 0.2 and 0.7, so 0.4 is great. Now we're going to reverse our leads and put the negative side of our meter to the positive side of the DC bus and check again between RS and T. 0.4 again, plenty good within that range. We're going to go ahead and check the outputs the same way. We'll place the positive side of the meter to the negative side of the DC bus. We'll go between U, V, and W. That's great. Swap our leads. Negative probe, positive DC bus, U, V, W. So that's great. The next check that we're going to do is checking between B1 and B2 on the diode setting. We're going to put our negative lead to the B1 terminal, and then we'll place our positive lead to the B2 terminal, and we're getting 0.4 again, so that's great. Now the last test that we're going to do is a resistance check from the phases to ground. So we'll put our meter on the resistance function, and we'll place the negative side of the probe to the ground, and then we're just going to go between R, S, and T, and then between U, V, and W. Well, this drive tests perfectly fine, and if yours performs these same tests, there may not be a problem. If you have any questions about how to do this, you can always find us at precisionzone.com. Thanks for watching.